So noodles. Pwede siyang dry o kaya with soup. So from fried rice, siomai, with Ether, Mama, pizza pala tayo.
Birthday.
And me. Roast white chicken. Braised spare ribs.
Chicken feet.
And lastly, salt and pepper spare ribs. Akin, kompleto na. Mama! Heather! And may kain po. Dito nga pala to sa
Sabay nito sawa.
nalimutan, Cafe Harbor.
Victoria.
Uliani na ako eh.
Victoria yan eh.
Victoria Cafe Harbor. Sa Newport Mall. Kain po. Bye-bye.